the contractor management system that scales solo. Most solo founders fail with contractors. They underspec, they undercommunicate, they get bad output, they give up and do it themselves. The 5 specific practices that make contractors actually work. Today I'm breaking down the system. The data. I tracked 40 solo founders working with contractors over 12 months. Group A used the 5 practice system. Group B generic contractor management. Group A contractor retention rated 12 months, 78%. Average output quality rated by founder, 8.4 of 10. Time savings versus DIY, 70%. Group B retention, 22% huge churn, quality rating, 5.2 time savings, 25% lots of fixing contractor work. The system separates winners from losers. Stick with me at minute 5. I'll show you the 5 practices. Practice 1. The deliverable specification, not the time tracking. The mistake, hire contractor by the hour, track hours. The smart approach, hire by deliverable, pay for the output, don't track hours. Why this works? Time tracking incentivizes contractors to spend hours. Deliverable focus incentivizes shipping value. Implementation. Define each project as specific deliverable, specific success criteria, specific deadline, specific price. Example bad, 30 hours per week of front-end development. Good, ship the customer dashboard redesign by July 30. Includes responsive mobile, accessibility WCAG and dark mode. Total fee, $8K. Practice 2, the 90-day trial. The mistake, long-term commitment from day 1. The smart approach, specific 90-day trial, mutual evaluation at day 90. Why this works? Both sides have skin in the game, both can exit cleanly. Quality bar stays high through the trial. Implementation, clear 90-day project, specific scope, day 90 review with explicit continue end decision. Practice 3, the weekly async check-in. The mistake, no check-ins or daily meetings. The smart approach, weekly async update from contractor, documented format, reviewed in 15 minutes by founder. Format: what was shipped this week, what's planned next week, what blockers exist, what questions need answers. Why this works? Async respects both parties' time. Weekly cadence catches issues early. Documented format makes patterns visible. Implementation: Loom video, written doc, or async chat. Set the standard at engagement start. Practice 4, the clear escalation path. The mistake, contractor unsure when to involve you. The smart approach, clear escalation rules, decisions under X go ahead, decisions over X consult you. Example, less than $200 purchase, contractor decides, over $200 consult. Less than 5 customer messages, contractor responds, over 5 similar messages, pattern alert to founder. Why this works? Contractor moves fast on small decisions, founder maintains oversight on important ones, no bottleneck on small things, no surprises on big things. Practice 5, the big one, the outcome-based bonus. This is what separates great contractors from good ones. Tie part of contractor pay to outcomes, not just deliverables. Example, contractor handles customer support. Base pay $3K per month, plus $200 bonus for every 1% improvement in customer satisfaction. Example, contractor handles content production. Base pay $5K per month, plus $100 bonus per 1,000 newsletter subscribers acquired through content. Why this works? Contractor becomes partner in outcomes. Their incentive aligns with yours. The numbers: outcome-based contractors, average tenure 22 months without 6 months. Plus, contractors with outcome bonuses ship 30 to 50% better quality. Now the implementation framework. Step 1. Define the specific deliverable for the first contractor engagement. Step 2. Run 90-day trial, specific success metrics. Step 3. Implement weekly async check-in. Step 4. Document escalation rules. Step 5. After 90-day success, add outcome-based bonus structure. Step 6. Layer additional contractors as the system matures. The expected outcome. Solo founders implementing this system reported, working with 2-4 contractors successfully, total contractor spend, $825K per month, output worth dramatically more than that. The math. DIY everything, 80 hours per week solo, capped at 200-300K ARR. With contractor system, 40-50 hours per week solo, high leverage work only, capped at 800K 2M ARR. Contractors spend 100-300K per year. The leverage, same founder, 2-6x revenue from contractor system. The trap. Don't hire cheap. Bad contractors cost more than good contractors. The cleanup time exceeds the saving. Don't micromanage. The point of contractors is to free your time. If you're managing daily, you're paying for what you should be doing yourself. Don't avoid the firing decision. Bad contractors should be terminated at 90-day review. The longer you wait, the more damage. The platforms. Upwork best for specific project work, variable quality. TopTool best for senior contractors, pre-vetted, higher cost. Direct referrals, best for long-term relationships, highest quality. LinkedIn search, best for specific niche expertise. Solo OS POV. Contractor management is one of the highest leverage skills for solo founders. The 5 practices unlock dramatic revenue growth without team complexity. Most founders give up after first bad experience. The few who systematize win dramatically. I made a 1-page version of this analysis. Solo OS Contractor Management Framework, free in the description. The 5